Jain student, today we are going to discuss the anti-poverty program adopted by the government. First, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005. We have looked long history experience implement wage employment program. Based on the experience of this program, the National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme was passed in September 2005. Silent feature of Manrega right-based framework from the adult member of the rural household willing to do unskilled manual work, time-bound guarantee 15 days for provision of unemployment as unemployment allowances. Third, guarantee employment up to the 100 days of guarantee wages employment in a financial year per household depending on the actual demand. Fourth, labor intensive work 60 to 40 wage and material ratio per permissible work at the Gram Panchayat undertaken under the Rega, so no contractor machiner allowed. Next, Swan Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana, Integrated Rural Development Program and Allied Program have been restructured into a single self-employment program called Swan Jayanti Gram Swaraj Yojana, April 1919. SGS is the integrated scheme for providing opportunity for self-employment to the rural people and is currently being implemented. SGSY has been devised keeping in the view both positive aspect as well as deficiency of the earlier program. Its main aim promoting the micro enterprises to bring the asset poor families above the poverty line to organization of rural poor into the self-help group, their capacity building, training, planning for activity cluster and provision of income generating asset. Next, प्रधानमंत्री ग्राम सड़क योजना and PMGSY launched in 25th December 2000 as 100% centrally sponsored scheme. The primary objective of the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana is to provide all-weather connectivity to the eligible unconnected habitual in rural area. The systematic upgradation of the existing rural road network is also integrated component of the scheme. The program is funded mainly from the actual digital census of the Center Road Fund, and the implementation strategy focus on the quality and cost management on the time delivery. Next, Indra Awas Yojana. Initially, the Indra Awas Yojana launched in May 1985 as a sub-scheme of the Johar Rojgar Yojana. Now it being implemented as an independent scheme since January 1996. The scheme aims at providing the dwelling unit free of cost and to poor family of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe free bonded labor and also non-ST/ST person below the poverty line in rural areas. The scheme is funded cost of sharing. Basic between 75 to 25 between the center and the state. Next, Bharat Nirman Pradhan Gram Sadak Yojana as the Indra Awas Yojana have now been made component of Bharat Nirman. This program was launched in 2005 for building infrastructure and basic amenities in rural area. It has 6 components of rural housing, irrigation, potential drinking water, rural road electrifications and the telecommunication connectivity. Next, Swan Jayanti Sahari Rojgar Yojana. It was launched in 1st December 1997. This Yojana summed earlier 3 urban poverty program: Nehru Rojgar Yojana, Urban Basic Service for the Poor, and Prime Minister Integrated Urban Poverty Alleviation Program. It was ramped in April 2009. Now this scheme has the following 5 components: Urban Self-Employment Program, Urban Women Self-Help Program, Skill Training for Employment Promotion amongst the Urban Poor, Urban Wages Employment Program. There are also some other schemes to help the poor. Prominent among them are the National Food for Work. This program is launched in November 14, 2004. It aims food security through the creation of need-based economic social community asset to the backward district of the country. Annapurna Yojana, this scheme was came into effect on April 2001, aimed to providing food security to meet the requirement of the senior citizen who, though eligible, have remain uncovered under the National Old Age Pension Scheme. Next, Krishi Samik Samaj Suraksha Yojana. This scheme launched in July 2001 for giving social security benefit of agricultural labor. Next, Antodaya Anna Yojana. This scheme was launched for Prime Minister in December 2000. Under this scheme, 1 crore poorest family out of the BPL family covered under the target public distribution system are identified.